play another game since it's a New Year's special. And Happy New Year's! I am so happy. It's amazing. Happy New Year's. I'm so happy it's a New Year today. Tomorrow's New Year. Tomorrow's New Year, I mean. Yeah. New Year's special today. So, I don't know what we're gonna draw in this game. I'm not as an excellent drawer or yet. I feel like I'm not really that good at drawing. I sometimes do my art like that. But oops. Not good. That's not good. Like. Okay. Like, how does it look? Why does that keep... I'm so happy because New Year's tomorrow, and I want to wish you a happy... I want to wish you a happy New Year. I want to wish you a happy New Year from the bottom of my heart. I want to wish you happy. I want to wish you happy New Year. Happy New Year. Oh, this is so stressful. Oh my God. What? Okay. Good. Yay. Oh, okay. Maybe rubbing it art is really hard. Okay. I'm not as bad as drawing as you guys think. I'm not as good at drawing as you guys think. I'm just don't know. Not good, not bad. Just nothing. Ew. Oh, I saw the real Wednesday. Oh, I'm gonna dance, my hands, but my yeah. Okay. Why is everyone surrounded me there? Now skin. Okay. This is gonna be hard because I actually should have done it with the skin. Please don't ruin it, guy. I'm scared somewhere actually. Okay, so I wasn't be talking for a few minutes because I think it's just because I'm concentrating. My art is not as good as everyone else's. At least it's something. Okay. It's something, right? Huh? Why is it blue? Why was it blue? I didn't change it blue, guys. That's weird. Please don't ruin it, please. I see people already ruined my art. Kinda. Why do you have to? Okay, so it's not actually bad. Not bad. It's okay. I don't like it or love it. It's not good or bad or something. Someone write it Renando. Let's do Among Us. Okay. Who's this girl? Please, can you just be nice enough and not to ruin my art? Why are people so annoying? Okay, Among Us, it looks good. Not bad, but it's good. Like, nice and good. Okay, we're finished at Among Us. We're gonna draw a person now. Why does everyone keep interrupting whenever I've got to draw? Jesus. This is looking good. Isn't this, guys? Guys, this looks good, right? Please tell me it's good. This is my best masterpiece. Please. Why? So mean. You mean. Alright, so looking good so far. What do you guys think? Is it good or bad? Wait, where's my drawing on Bengals again? Wow. Oh, I thought someone ruined out. What the? Okay, my Bengals is still there. That's good. Okay, so beautiful. What? Why is everyone running my art? That one's so good. Who ruined it? Okay. Oh, she is I want her to be. There are not enough votes to kick her. Oh, God. That was so annoying. Why does not everyone want to vote? She literally wrote something. I was just busy making her. Why are people so annoying? Oh. Guys, I'm gonna make the face from like Roblox. Actually, never mind. Stop, girl. I'm in the middle of drawing. I'm gonna say yo. What? What? Huh? No. You're so annoying. Unless you should just stop. Stop. Gosh, you should actually just stop. Oh, look at her coming there today, just to ruin my art. A girl's so annoying. A girl's so annoying. Wait. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, guys, it's been long we've been playing this game. So we're going to join the game. I'll see you guys there. Since I said we're doing New Year's special. Hi everyone, welcome. Oops, sorry. Ooh. Sorry guys, I mistakenly said I actually thought we were starting the video, just making a new one. We're not actually making a new one. What? Oh, why'd you have to catch me? Stop. Don't catch me. No, stop. Don't catch me. Avoid. So, haha. No one caught me. Oi, Nias. Let's just don't press the button. No! Okay. Alright, let's wait. Now, I want to be in there. I want to talk to them. Well, I made it. Yay! That was actually fun. Sorry about that. So what I said, I actually thought we were starting a new video. I was like, why did I say that? Sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. I keep saying sorry. Look, what's with? Oh, wait, I'm the only one there. Oh, never mind. I actually thought it was something else. Guy! Wait, what? Hey, I died. Oh, no, I died. Oh, he won. Coin. Okay, I'm not gonna be taken away from the aliens. No one's taking me away. I'm not gonna die today. Wait, what? Oh, gotta go fast like Sonic. I'm Sonic. I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. No, I forgot. I have to walk normal now. Someone special. This is fun. This game is actually really fun. Well, I played it before. So yeah. Anyways, do you guys like my outfit? It's all pink today. Pink rules. Pink, kind of like school uniform, but it still counts. Pink hair, cute face, and cute pink hat. Well, this is not really my pink hats. Oh, how did I die? That counts, right? So, I'm not there. I'm not there. So, see? It's so adorable. Don't tell me this outfit is not good. Like, it is so amazing. Amazing. So, note down, this outfit isn't good. It's so boring. Should I just pause the video or should I wait? Hey guys, like my new dance move? Isn't it fun? It's like a dance move which costs 10. I'll just pause 3 seconds. Okay guys, we're in. Hurry. What? I already died. I already died. Come on. Oh, so easy. Everyone made it. Wow, so nice. Wow, 2 people made it. Lucky. So lucky. Oh, this guy creeps me. That was creepy. My body tingled after when I saw that. That was tingly. My body's not tingly. That's so tingly. That tingles me. Okay. I want to press it. Me. Did I press it? No, it wasn't me. That's so statue of my beautiful self. What the? That's nice outfit, I guess. What is it there? Let's do this. Boyd. Wait, what? You're not touching this? I died. Watch out for what? Oh, that thing. I forgot about that. I didn't get that. That wasn't fair. Go watch out for the raining bombs. It's raining tacos. What bombs from out of the sky? Tacos. No need to say why. Just close your eyes and vocalize. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. From out of the sky. Tacos. Oh, this is so. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell button and leave a like. And Happy New Year's! See ya in the next video. See ya, little gator.